If you've just bought a new Rangehood from the Good Guys, our professional installers are ready to help out, making the process as easy and as simple as can be. Before our installer arrives, check if your Rangehood will fit in the existing space and that there's easy access if you're upstairs. Keep pets and kids out of the way so we can get the job done safely. Our service is a changeover service, which means we will connect the Rangehood to the existing power point and ducting and install it into an existing cavity. If your installation requires more ducting or alterations to your cabinets, we're upfront about additional charges. Now let me take you through the installation process step by step so you know what to expect. Step 1. First up, our installer will inspect your connections and desired installation point. Step 2. Our installer will install your new Rangehood to your existing cavity. Step 3. Our installer will turn the unit on to make sure it's working. And remember, all work by the Good Guys Home Services team is fully guaranteed and complies with all state and territory compliance codes. Enjoy your new appliance from the Good Guys and thanks for watching.